I was sent some Glamermaid nails, and I shared those with my daughter. These are my daughter's hands, and I think the nails look very nice on them. Now, when I got the package, these were the different types of Glamermaid nails that I got. You can see that there is quite a variety there. And each one of those nail packages comes with adhesive, and they come with alcohol wipes and a cuticle stick, and also a nail file. So all of these things come with the nails, and they're very easy to put on, and they look very professional. Now, I work with a lot of animals, so anytime I have a product to review, I share it with the others in my household. Bo thought these nails were pretty interesting. He enjoyed unboxing them, and he looked at the different varieties. But I think that of all the nail types, he was most interested in the ones that were based on the Squid Game series. So those were the ones that I modeled for him. He really liked those Squid Game nails. Now, Bo himself does not need nails like that because his are pretty big. I showed my nails to my flock, and they had this to say about it. And I was able to even pick up an egg that they had laid there, and my nails stayed on. And that's pretty good because my hands are pretty rough, and I'm out there doing things like feeding the chickens and the ducks. And the nails are still there. They're still strong. So the adhesive that you use is one-time use only, but you can actually put the nails on and take them off as many times as you like, as long as you use different adhesive each time. When I first put them on, some of them were on backwards, but it's not a problem. You can fix that. And my chickens and even the wild deer got to have a glimpse of my Glamermaid press-on nails. It's amazing that the deer were not even scared away by the Squid Game nails. Okay, so I did try on different kinds. This is the kind that is green and has sort of a vegetation theme to it. So if you have a green thumb, you probably would like those. These are the black cat on orange nails, which I think would be great for Halloween. And these are the red ones that look so much better on my daughter than they do on me. But I enjoyed them. And then these are the Squid Game nails. And there were two others that were of the pinkish variety that I haven't shown you. But I feel that I have full range of motion and that this is a good product. And so does Bo.